Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rose Edet, and if you're new here, I create content around lifestyle, vlogs, and around my work. I'm a seller, but today I want to share with you guys my skincare products. I recently ordered skincare items and it just got delivered, so today is unboxing video. I'm going to unbox my skincare products with you guys. Ta-da! I'm super happy. Yeah, I ordered this for about 3 days now and they finally delivered it. The car 4 on Instagram if you want to get it. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I have here. First off is this CeraVe foaming cleanser. This is my cleanser all day, all time. This is the first product. The second product is vitamin C serum, advanced clinical. This is actually the first time I want to try out this vitamin C serum. I have other ones that I've been using before. Now I actually want to try this for the first time. Let's see how this goes. I hope it comes out really well. Okay, I have here my sunscreen, Aqua Misha sunscreen. I've been using a mineral sunscreen, all this like Neutrogena and all that. It has not been really good for me, so I've heard a lot about this sunscreen and I've decided to try it. I hope it comes out fine because I work under sun a lot and I need sunscreen. I hope this just come out fine because Neutrogena was not giving me what I want. It was giving me white cast. It was giving me stink and all that. I hope this does not do that. So I have sunscreen as my next item. So let's see the next one. Yeah, this is overnight exfoliating treatment. Yeah, in place of body scrub, I decided to go for this on my face for exfoliation. Very important in your routine. Initially I was using physical scrub, but of recent, baby girl, I've learned a lot of things, so it's an upgrade for me. I hope it works for exfoliating. The next item on the list is this Vita's eye cream for my under eye. You know, I heard when you are up to a certain age you have to start introducing things like this to your skincare, you know, to avoid wrinkling and all that. So I got this also. Then the next item, I think this should be my favorite. This retinol product. This is retinol cream. Right, before now I was using the ordinary retinol product, but I switched to this. Let's see how this goes. Have you used this before? Does it work? I've heard a lot about this. Let's see how it goes. And I think this is the last product, my moisturizer, simple replenishing rich moisturizer. So these are all the items I've gotten for my skin. What do you use? What are you using? Do you know these products? Are they good? What do you think? Tell me in the comment section if you have tried any of these products and how it's working for you. Are they really good? I hope it works well for me. So that's all guys, my unboxing video. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, I would really appreciate that, and turn on your post notification bell so that anytime I post content you'll be the first to see it and like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. See you in my next video.